Big fish on. A catfish.
Easy, 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 easy. Oh, I got one too.
Oh my gosh, double time, double.
Yes, sir. You got him?
Bucket's got a massive one. Trey got a stringer right here.
Rail tire worker, I've been laying tires on cold ground. But I'm leaving this evening on the same tracks I laid down. There's some boys out in Jersey that are calling me out by name. I got a reason to believe.
Alright, today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna go fishing on the lake with me and Micah.
Hey.
And we're made to our first spot, so we're gonna see what we can do.
Hey, there you go. Bluegill.
Pretty one, ain't it? Brim or whatever you want to call it, bluegill. You want to keep it?
Nah.
Throw it back. All right. Well, go back, little dude.
Here, pass me a box of worms. That's a bass.
Actually?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
First bass of the day.
First bass of the day, guys.
Oh, we're cooking right now. We ain't even got the minnows in it yet.
First bass of the day, guys. Look at there. Let's go, baby.
No.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Same worm, 4 fish.
All I can do is get Holly on the set.
Same worm, 4 fish. Dude, I hate these fish because they flop around so much.
We've been here for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
4 times.
Ooh, come on. So I'm on 2-1 on brim?
Yeah. And a bass.
And a bass.
Well, really 3-1.
Well, yeah, I'm not counting that, though. I didn't say the challenge until after that. No! Micah. I've never seen such little goobers take my bait. Let's see what it is. Oh, bass. Look at that thing, son.
Baby.
Biggest bass of the day.
It's not very big.
I said biggest bass of the day.
Yeah.
So far. Oh yeah. Is the camera even in place in it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's a keeper.
Is that a keeper? Alright, I'm switching to minnows. You caught that on a minnow? Alright, it's minnow time now. Bucket's got a massive one.
Alright, you ready? He's coming up. He's coming up. Here he comes, here he comes.
Where's he? Oh my gosh. Hold him off, hold him. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Here's my good. Oh baby. That's fish.
Oh,
Look at that thing.
let's freaking go.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that's
What a fish. Hold on, where's my weigher at?
Look at that spot right there.
Oh baby.
Son.
What a fish.
Son, look at that stud.
Oh my gosh. All right, what do you think on the way?
Oh, I don't know, man.
Look at that belly.
Yeah, he's been
Good.
eating. It's probably one of those fish that I just saw run around out here with eating minnows and stuff.
Oh my goodness.
There's some meat on that sucker. All right.
You want to weigh it?
Sure.
Let's see what the weigh-in goes in. What a fish, Micah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
2 pounds.
Almost 3.
Almost 3.
Almost
2 pounds.
3.
You see that?
Like 2 3/4.
What a fish. That ain't gonna fit in our bucket.
That's awesome.
That ain't gonna fit in our bucket.
We'll make him fit.
Oh baby.
Little bit of a size difference.
What a day. Oh.
You got the magic slime on you now.
Oh, dude. That is awesome.
That's what we came here for.
What do you gotta think about that
Go.
fish?
That's awesome.
Awesome.
I haven't caught a big bass like that in a long time.
Micah has another fish on already after just catching the close to 3-pounder. Look at that.
Smallmouth.
Little smallmouth bass.
Look at that. Yes, sir.
Micah has caught another good fish, and there's a big school of them right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh baby, look at that.
It's a stud.
What a day, what a day, what a day. Oh, oh my gosh. Come on. No, no. I'm being so for real, dude.
Flip it back. If they're not,
That was a big fish. Oh baby.
dude.
Oh baby. Oh baby.
You're cooking.
Look at that one right now, baby. Yup. No.
Let it go back. Send it back down. Blake's got a big one. Oh, come on, Blake. Easy. That's only 4 pound test. Here, bring him over here. That's a good one. That's a good one. Come on. Oh, I got one too. Frick. You got him?
Give me. Look at that.
Dude, what the heck?
Just look at this. Oh my gosh, double time, baby. Let's go.
That's a monster.
Baby. Oh, baby, look at that thing, son.
That's not very big. Look at that one. That's the one you need to be looking at.
Let's go. Dude, we are cooking. I felt that thing eat, dude, and I was like, boom.
That hook worked. Right. Look at that. Perfect hook set. Perfect hook set.
Look at that, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at that fish. That's probably a good 2 pounds.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
All right, where do you want to put this, in the bucket?
We might have to, yeah.
Look at that.
That is awesome. Good job, Blake. That's your first big bass?
That's first big bass, son.
That's awesome.
First big bass. All right, let's go, guys. We just doubled up right there. Let's see what we can do now. Me and Micah's gonna see if we can get a fish first. I'm actually doing pretty. Oh,
Let it sit. Let it sink.
dude, that was a big one. Throw back up there. Oh, it took my whole minnow, dude. Yeah. Golly. All right. Oh.
That was a fish.
Oh.
You gotta let him eat it.
You actually want to make fish tacos? So we stop by what, like Walmart or something? Did these? Oh baby.
Bro bit my sinker.
Oh baby, what another one?
I watched him.
Yep. What's that one?
Spot.
He said it bit the sinker, he said.
It did. It had the sinker in its mouth.
Look at the eyes on that thing.
Yeah. That's how you know it's a spot. They're orange colored.
Huh. Cool. All right, Micah is on another fish at the same spot. We were about to move locations.
Honestly, at this point, it don't matter if they get off.
We got so many.
Look at that.
Look at these guys.
That's one of the 2 stringers.
Yeah, one of the 2 stringers. We've got a stringer right here. And a stringer. Where's the other stringer at? Down right there somewhere. Look at that thing, guys. We can throw it back.
No, I keep it.
Keep it. All right. All right. Well, anyways, I think that's gonna sum it up for this spot. We're gonna go move over to. What'd you say, Micah? We're gonna go.
We're gonna run up that way.
Okay.
And there's a river that runs in, and hopefully there'll be some walleye up there. See if we can't hook into one of them.
Yep. We're gonna see if we can catch some walleye. We've caught enough bass for the day, so we're gonna see what we can do on that. We'll see you guys there.
And if you're reading this letter, tell my mother and my brother that I love them. He's got the better blood of my old man and our cousins. But he made a bad deal with some boys out on Oak Island. And if he don't pay, they say they're bound.
Oh my gosh. Big fish on. Big fish on.
There's your catfish, Blake.
A catfish?
Catfish, Blake.
I caught a catfish.
There's your catfish.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
I caught a catfish, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, rod's been a little bendy. All right, Micah.
That's crazy.
I caught my catfish. I told you I'd catch one, did I not?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother. That's a good size one, ain't it?
That is a good size.
How do I grab this thing?
All right, so I usually grab them, like, don't grab them by the tail usually, but like that. And
All right.
That way,
As long as that top
so
ain't
that
hitting.
way everything's pointing away from your hand.
Uh-huh. Can you take that hook out?
I can't believe you caught a cat.
I just caught a catfish, dude. I don't know how to hold them. They're scary. This is my scariest fish, guys. Can I hold it by the mouth?
Yeah, if he'll open up. He won't open his
These
mouth.
things stab you?
No.
Take a picture, hurry.
All right, now hold him sideways.
Like this?
Other way.
So it's caught my first catfish of the year. It was a pretty decent sized one. I told Micah before we come here I was gonna catch one, and I did. So I'm proud of it. Now he's trying to get his mouth open. Goal of the day completed. Goal of the day completed, dude. I think it was at the first tree when we caught. Yep, boom. Oh my gosh, that's a dang tree. I was like, that is no way that's a bluegill. And it broke off. Like, I think we're done fishing for the day on fish. I don't think they're gonna be biting as hard as they were. I think we might have caught them all.
First, the worst is yet to come.
All right, we just got everything loaded, boats loaded, cars ready to go. We got our stuff on the side of the car, so we're getting ready to go head back home and slay some of the fish. Everything turned out well. We're gonna go home and fillet them at Micah's house. I'll see you guys there.
And I went to Jay's Tavern, and it happens that them boys were there. Recognized his backside from the color of my mother's hair. And my brother found another way to make himself a decent little living. He turned around and found himself a licking only blood could give him.
We have our fish done, cooked by Micah Mustard himself.
Top it with a little
Chipotle.
Yes, sir. Let me see.
All right, then rate him 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10?
Yep. I know it's gonna be a 10.
Yeah, it's definitely easily a 9. That was awesome.
All right. Well, we're gonna go enjoy some tacos. Thank you guys for watching to end the video. We had a really good adventure today. We caught some really good fish. So I'm happy today was a good day. Thank you, Micah, for letting me go on your boat and taking me fishing. And thank you for cooking us really good fish. They turned out really good. So I really appreciate everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.